In today's video, I will teach you how to create a Christmas photo card in PicMonkey. Let's get started. First, go to PicMonkey's homepage. Now, you can either start from a blank canvas or use one of PicMonkey's Christmas photo card templates. To start from a blank canvas, select the Edit New Image button in PicMonkey's homepage to open the Canvas preset library. Here you have different canvas presets for every social media post and prints. And you can also customize your own canvas size by simply typing in your desired width and height at the upper right corner of the panel. Now, simply click Make It to open your blank canvas in the editor. To start with a template, go to the homepage and click the Edit New Image and select Templates. This will redirect you to PicMonkey's editor with the Templates tab open. Here you can choose from thousands of free and customizable templates from PicMonkey's template library. To find a specific template, you can simply type in the keyword on the search bar. And when you hit enter, thousands of templates related to the keyword will pop up. Now, just choose the right template for your Christmas photo card. Once you've decided which template to use, you can now customize it. To replace the image from the template, you can simply select the image first, and you can either hit the delete key on your keyboard, or you can simply click the X button at the upper right corner of the selected image. Now go to the sidebar and open the Photos and Videos tab. Here, you can either choose from PicMonkey's wide variety of free and premium stock images, or you can upload your own file. To upload your photo to PicMonkey, simply press the Add Photo or Video button and select the source of your file. Once the file is downloaded, you will see it under the Uploaded tab. Now you can simply click on the image or drag and drop it onto the canvas. You can also move the image around, resize it, crop it, or rotate it. To move the image around, simply drag the image around the canvas. To resize it, you can simply drag on the handles. To rotate the image, simply click and drag on the top handle, and you can hold down the Shift key while dragging on the handle to rotate the image in exact angles. And to crop it, you can right-click on the image and select Crop Image. Now, just click and drag on the horizontal and vertical handles to freely crop the image. Once you're done cropping, you can simply click outside the canvas. Now, to edit the text, simply click on the existing text layer on the canvas, and all the text editing tools will appear at the sidebar. To change the text, simply double-click on the text, and you can now freely type whatever you like on the text layer. And once you're satisfied, you can either download the image directly to your computer or share it to your social media. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.